guys, welcome back to Sky's pre-tween tutorials. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell, give a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be showing you the fidgets I got from Learning Express. Today, let's go. First, I got this Tangle, which is one of my dream fidgets. One of my dream fidgets is a Tangle. It's kind of textured, has little bubbles on it. Next fidget is a snow stress ball thingy. I don't know what it's called. It's called like a snowball thingy. I don't know. Comment down below if you know what its name is. I'm just gonna call it snowball thingy. And yeah, you can hear the sounds. Yeah. Next is the last but not least is the unicorn poppet. This is one of my favorite poppets, but my dream fidget is actually a hard shell poppet. So yeah, this is one of my second dream fidgets or poppets. I would say I have to say poppets. Yeah, sorry about the angle. Yeah, I'm popping and filming at the same time. It's really hard. So yeah, this is the unicorn poppet. You can kind of see it says top trends. It says top trends. Because poppets are really top trends right now. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell, give it a huge thumbs up. Bye, guys!